Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we will walk through exactly how to download and add music to Lark Player in 2026. If you are looking for a simple guide to get your offline playlist ready, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First, there is a very important detail you need to know. Lark Player is an excellent media player, but it does not download music directly from the internet. Instead, it organizes and plays local audio files that are already saved on your device. To add music, you will need to download your favorite tracks to your phone's internal storage or SD card using trusted websites or platforms. Make sure the files are saved in standard audio formats, like MP3. Once your files are downloaded, head over to the Google Play Store, search for Lark Player, and install it. If you already have it, simply open the app. Here is the best part. You do not need to manually import anything. When you open Lark Player, navigate to the top menu and select the Songs tab. The app will automatically scan your device's storage and instantly display any downloaded MP3 files. Your music will now appear fully organized and ready to play offline. Lark Player is completely free to use for local files. They do offer an optional premium subscription if you want to remove ads, but the core playback features cost nothing. And that is it. If this tutorial helped you get your music sorted, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech guides. See you in the next video.